Hello everyone, welcome back, and today in this video I would like to show you how can you solve your TikTok messages not sending problem. So in this video I will show you that. So let's begin our video. So first you need to open your TikTok application and now go to inbox, and after that there you can see if I send him messages, hi, but it's not sending. There you can see red option, it's not sending. So how can you solve it? If you resend it but it's still not sending, so guys, if you follow him you just get a option for send messages, but this guy is not following you or not follow back, you cannot send him messages. If you follow him and these guys also follow back you, if these guys also follow back you, then you can send messages. So must be remember that, otherwise you cannot solve it. So I hope you can understand. Thank you everyone for watching this.